Okay, first let's go fold it back to front. Fold it to the front like this. Here. This way. Okay, tight like this. And you apply it tight at the top of the fold part. And then we are go fold it. So this is the letter P. Letter P. If we are going to make another one, so we fold it back here and tight a little bit. So it's like this. It's like this. And then if we are make the little p here, we are going to fold it down here and fold it to the back. P is easy making, so here, so this way, fold. After fold here, then we tight at this part, and and fold, make it a P like this. So it's the big P and the little P we finish. If we are going to make another letter, so just bend it here. Yeah, just bend it this way. Okay, so here is the big P and the little P. Hi. So big P and little p we finish. If you are interested in wire wrapper, this is the way. Hi, my guests. Happy to see you. Hi, Stephanie. Hello, Moonrose. So this is the P. So next we are going to make some letters. P. Oh, here. So thank you. We go to make something different. So we go to make a POP. Okay, POP. So here we fold it a loop like this. Okay, fold it a loop like this, and we are fold it back here, and we tight. After tight, you tight the top of the wire and go to fold it. So this is the letter P, and we go to make O. We will make the POP. Okay, so fold it here like this way, and then if we are going to start fold the letter O, we bend it down here, wrap it down here this way, and then we tight. Okay, we are go fold it here, and we tight it here. So we are make the PO, and then also the P here this way, and fold it to the front here, fold it to front, and fold it to the back. So this part is folded like this. Here is a channel share with you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. Then we tight it here and make the little p. Okay, we make the little p, and then we finish this. So this is the little p that we make. It's POP. POP. Okay, so P and O, then P. It's POP. Okay, Then if POP, then if we want to make a H, we make the H's like this. We can be folded. Make it wrong if make H is not like this. Okay, H should be okay. Here, it's folded. Here, this way, and fold it back, and tight. Then okay, so it's this way. POPH. This is the way. Hi, Magnolia. Happy to see you. Okay, so here is the POPH. We can use the little p and the large p to make the different. Then let's make a pearl. PEARL. Thank you. So next one, we can try another P, letter P. We make a PEARL. Okay, P, we wrap a fold here, tight it, and fold it to front. And we tight the wire, and tight the top, and bend it here. P, then fold it, PE, then we'll make the letter E. Okay, here. Here, we make the letter E. It's folded at this part and tight it here. We make the letter E, P, E, A, and fold to front. And we tight. Okay. PEA. We didn't learn R, but I think we can try. PEA. Thank you, my friends. It's a channel that we learn to make the jewelry together. PEAR. R, I think is R. PEAR and L. L. Okay, I think it's like this. PEARL. Okay, so we're done to wrap the P, and here is POPH. POPH. PEARL. Okay, so we finished the letter P. Yeah, letter P tutorial today. Here. This one we done. Letter P. Letter P is this the big P and the little P. Okay, so we finish the tutorial today. P. So you can try it. Okay. So thank you. This I make is not so much small. If make it smaller, then I think it come out the effect more nice. But at the beginning, we are practice. We just make it bigger. Yeah, make it bigger. Thank you. Okay, so here we done the letter P. Yesterday we make O and we make GOOD. Yeah, so letter O yesterday. And here down and the wrapper. Okay, here this is the